up, everybody? My name is P-Larius, and today I have another unboxing video for you. This is not what I'm unboxing. These are my old salt and pepper grinders. They were cheap, they are plastic, and as you can see, they are cracking and not really useful anymore. They don't grind at all. I just get full amounts of peppercorn all over my food because they leak and they're hard to use. And yep, it does that. So these are out with the old and in with the new. This is what we're unboxing. They are Jiraph brand. The link to purchase this fine product will be in the description below, and you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. And this is what we have. Nicely wrapped. Comes in a nice holder. Stainless steel. Even the lids are individually wrapped. Definitely take care in shipping these items. So let's take that out. Let's take this one out. So you can even hear their stainless steel. Let's take that one out. Take these off. So these are glass, this is stainless steel. That's the grinder, just like your everyday salt and pepper shaker, salt and pepper grinder. Easy peasy, nice and elegant, simple, easy to use. These will definitely be lasting forever. And like I said, the link to purchase these will be in the description below. They are Jiraph brand salt and pepper shakers, salt and pepper grinders. And like always, thanks for watching.